Ready to give your living room a window makeover? Today we're delving into a world of captivating window treatment and blind ideas that will redefine the ambiance of your space. From elegant Roman shades to eco-friendly bamboo blinds, we've curated a collection that caters to every taste and style. Say goodbye to bare windows and hello to a living room that's as well dressed as you are. Whether you're craving natural textures or high-tech solutions, we've got the inspiration you need to transform your windows into a focal point. Stick around for a journey through the art of window styling. Hit that subscribe button and let's your dream living room view is just a click away.
Choosing the right window treatments and blinds for your living room can significantly enhance its aesthetics and functionality. Here are some ideas to consider. Curtains and drapes. Fabric and color. Choose a fabric that complements your living room decor. Heavier fabrics like velvet or brocade can add a touch of luxury, while lighter fabrics like linen or cotton create an airy feel. Consider colors that match or contrast with your existing color scheme. Length and style. Floor-length curtains can make the room feel taller, while shorter ones can create a casual look. Consider curtain styles like grommet, rod pocket, or pinch pleat, depending on your taste. Blinds. Wooden blinds bring warmth and natural feel to the room. Wooden blinds are versatile and work well with various design styles. Vertical blind. Ideal for large windows or sliding glass doors that they allow for free-size light control and privacy. Roman shades. These fabric shades add a touch of elegance when raised and neatly stacked when lowered. They come in various fabrics and patterns. Shutters. Plantation shutters. These provide a classic timeless look. They offer excellent light control and privacy. Choose a finish that complements your furniture and trim. Layered look. Combine curtains with blinds or shades for a layered effect. This not only adds visual interest but also enhances insulation and light control. Motorized blinds. For convenience and modern appeal, consider motorized blinds or shades. You can control them with the remote or even integrate them with smart home system for automated adjustments. Sheer curtains. Sheer curtains allow natural light to filter through while providing a level of privacy. They create an ethereal and soft look in the living room. Valances and cornices. Add a decorative top treatment with valances or cornices to enhance the overall look of your windows. They can complement the design style of your living room. Pattern fabrics. Introduce patterns through your window treatment to add visual interest. This could be through printed curtains, patterned blinds, or even textured fabrics. Customized options. Consider custom window treatment for a perfect fit. This is especially beneficial for non-standard window sizes or shapes. Consider the view. If you have a beautiful view, choose window treatment that allow you to enjoy it while still providing necessary light control and privacy. Before making a final decision, consider the functionality you need, light control and privacy, your design preferences, and how the window treatment will complement the overall aesthetic of your living room. Hey there, if you are enjoying the content so far, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button below? By subscribing, you shall stay updated with our latest videos and be a part of our awesome community.